guys, and welcome back to our channel Rescue Digital Media. Today, in this video, I will show you how to fix QuickTime Error 23132 with M4V files with 6 quick fixes. But before that, like, subscribe and ring the bell icon to get notified when our new video lands. QuickTime Error 23132 with M4V files takes place due to virus infection, QuickTime damage, QuickTime related to file deletion, corrupt window registry, unfinished QuickTime installation, damaged Windows system file. Now, let's move on to fix this issue. Solution 1. Run the disk cleanup. Cleaning junks and cache data from your system will improve its performance and help you in fixing the QuickTime Error 23132 issue. Follow these steps. First of all, go to the Start, and then type the command in a search box. Tap and hold the Shift plus Control, after that hit the Enter. Next, type cleanver. Then again hit the Enter. After that, it will calculate how much of the space you can free up so that the Clean Manager will show the details. At last, check the boxes for the categories that you need to clean up and click the OK. Solution 2. Use the System Restore to simply undo any recent changes. Here are the steps to do so. Just open the control panel, then choose the option System and Security. After that, click on the System, and then choose System Protection link. Next, make a tap on the System Restore. Now, follow on-screen commands and choose the restore point to simply restore the computer. Solution 3. Update the device drivers. Another option that you can try to fix this issue is updating the device drivers. Here is how you can do so. Firstly, click on the Windows + X. Then select the Device Manager. Next, expand a required category, and find out the name of the device. After this, make right-click on the device, and then click on the Update driver. Finally, choose the Search automatically for updated driver software option. Solution 4. Perform the SFC scan to repair this error. SFC scan helps to fix damaged or corrupt system files. Here are the steps. To do so, press the Windows + X together, and choose the command prompt, admin. Once the command prompt opens, type SFC/scan now. Wait for the scan to complete, as it may take a while, and then restart your computer to see if you can play the video files. Solution 5. Reinstall the graphics driver. To do so, follow these steps. Go to the Device Manager. Then, find Graphics Driver. After that, right-click on Video Card Driver, and then tap on Uninstall option. At this time, you need to restart your PC. Solution 6. Use Video Repair Tool. If any issue takes place in the video of any file format such as FLV, M4V, UVSH, MP4, AVI, etc., you can try Video Repair Tool. It is a professionally recommended utility that can fix all sorts of video-related issues like choppy, jerky, grainy, pixelated, out of sync, etc. Here are steps to use the software. Step 1. Download, install and launch video repair software on your system. Click on Add Files to add corrupted video files. Step 2. Click on Repair button to begin the repairing process. This start repairing your added video files one by one. Step 3. You can click on Preview, in order to preview the repaired video file within the software, and click on Save Repaired Files button to save the repaired videos at desired location. Find its download and user guide links in the below description box. That's all. Hope you liked this video.